It's now just about 3 weeks to the opening of the first school term of 2023. Now, teachers under their national umbrella association, the Uganda National Teachers Union, UNATU, have yet again put forward their demands for a salary enhancement for secondary school arts teachers and those in primary schools. UNATU General Secretary Philbert Baguma says they have written a letter reminding the government to enhance the salaries of arts and humanities teachers in the upcoming budget cycle. Dr. Sultan Kakuba, a lecturer at Chambogo University, backed the demands.
Government promised, but the promise is hanging. It has no definite date. They are only saying, you wait, be patient.
Government took an initiative to increase the salary of science teachers without a scientific approach to it.
In the current financial year, the government enhanced the salaries of science teachers by more than 100%. Baguma says previous discriminatory tendencies in salary enhancement within the teaching fraternity bred disunity, demoralized the rest of the teachers and affected staff teamwork. Dr. Kakuba agrees with Baguma that the government approach to the issue was misguided.
Instead of teachers pretending to be teaching, we would rather inform government of what is happening in the school setup. The environment is not friendly.
When you look at the gap between the salary of a science teacher and that of a non-science teacher, it creates or it demotivates the non-science teachers.
Baguma suggests that the best way forward is for the government to expedite salary enhancement for all teachers. Dr. Kakuba thinks the government should engage teachers to build a consensus instead of threatening them.
We are calling upon government to rectify the error which was made of dividing teachers alongside science and arts and make sure all teachers' salaries are enhanced and the teachers get back to their jobs. That letter was written on 16th January and we expect to get feedback. In the absence of feedback, we shall definitely give government a notice of 90 days, and when they don't respond, then we shall lay down the tools.
Government does not need to threaten teachers or to force teachers back at class. Government should engage teachers.
When the government enhanced the salaries of scientists, including teachers, the teachers' umbrella body UNATU called a strike of arts secondary school teachers and primary school teachers, which lasted about 2 months. John Jime Musimbi, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.